everyone and very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Samba practice routine number 6. This was originally taught on the 10th of October 2022. So if you're looking for the full lesson, head over to the video library on the website and you're looking for the 10th of October 22. Now, this wasn't a class where we focused on much new content. We were actually just practicing things that we'd already learned in the few sessions before. So this was quite a long routine, but it was things that we already knew, just putting them in a slightly different pattern. So apologies if it's a little bit too much to remember, but let's make a little start. I did 2 side basics starting with my right foot. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 whisks. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 spot volters, right foot first. 1, 2, 1, 2. Reverse turn for 4 bars. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you could call that section 1, and if you want to, just stop there and practice that on its own. Section 2. Right foot. Whisk, whisk, turn in place, rhythm, bounce. Botafogo twice, 4 volters quick, Botafogo twice, 4 volters quick, and I'm going to call that section 2. And again, you could just split that up and practice that on its own. I'm then going to use my left foot for the quarter jacka, forwards and back and forwards and back, and cruzado walks if you have the space. Walk, walk and step, lock, step, and a walk, walk, step, lock, step, and you can continue until you run out of space. So there's 3 little sections there. I'm actually going to put all of them together and just call them out. Okay. Basic twice. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 whisks. 2 spot volters. Reverse turn. 2 whisks and a turn in place. Rhythm bounce. Left foot Botafogo twice. 4 volters. And again, twice Botafogos. 4 volters. Quarter jacka. And then cruzado walks with the lock-in step. Walk, walk, step, lock, step. Okay. Like I said, very short summary, but it's quite a long routine. So that was Improvers Solo Samba practice routine number 6, originally from the 10th of October 22. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in another video again soon. Bye-bye.